What is the first thing that springs to mind when you hear the word Tesla? Immediately, everyone remembers Elon Musk and his intention to shake up the car market by releasing a series of cutting-edge electric automobiles. Musk's objective is to change things up in the industry. On the other hand, have you recently observed anything that seems ordinary? You cannot purchase a Tesla vehicle directly from Tesla. Has Tesla stopped selling cars? Welcome to the Tesla News Hangout. Today, we will discuss why Tesla is halting the production of new vehicles and why this is a significant long-term strategy for Tesla to increase sales. So, let's get started. The chief executive officer of Tesla, Elon Musk, said recently that the business would not be introducing a new vehicle model due to limits in the supply chain. When it comes to increasing production, Tesla will instead focus on finishing the pre-orders it has already received. As a result of the fact that Tesla has fallen behind schedule in building pre-ordered vehicles such as the improved version of its Roadster sports car, the Tesla semi-truck, and the Cybertruck pickup, this move was quite predictable, according to analysts. Tesla has been working hard to develop a humanoid robot for some time now, and they've given it the code name Optimus. This robot is intended to assist with manufacturing processes and other repetitive tasks. Musk indicated in a statement that the basic aim for Tesla this year is to boost production as the company's primary objective. If Tesla produced new autos this year and last year, it would harm their entire output. According to Musk, the full self-driving software for Tesla vehicles is another priority for the company. There are already over 60,000 automobiles in the United States equipped with Tesla's full self-driving beta. According to Musk's forecasts from 2019, he predicted that Tesla would have 1 million fully autonomous cars ready for purchase by 2020. That did not turn out to be the result. Now, Tesla is concerned that Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving features may misrepresent the capabilities of the vehicles or lull drivers into a false sense of safety. Regulators, safety experts, and others have become increasingly concerned about Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving features throughout the past few years. For this reason, Tesla recommends that drivers always keep their hands on the wheel, even when the software is operating. Despite this, there's no way that anything like that would prevent Elon from making yet another bold prediction about the program's potential. Elon said that Tesla would be able to get to full self-driving this year. According to Musk, the general public does not understand the severity of full self-driving to the extent that it should. When used on the highway, the autopilot feature set is intended to keep the vehicle in its lane and guide it from one lane to the other, while the driver maintains control of the steering wheel and pedals. However, a version called Full Self-Driving Beta is in beta testing that enables the vehicle to navigate city streets by itself, including making turns and reacting to stop signs and traffic signals. Recently, Elon Musk had a conference call with other officials from Tesla. He provided an update about the Cybertruck pickup truck and the plant in Texas where it would be manufactured. Nevertheless, the business declared that it had begun construction of the Model Y crossover in Texas, but had not yet delivered the automobile to customers. Musk claims that due to issues with the supply chain, Tesla has adjusted the timelines for a number of its production processes. Elon Musk has warned that the company will not be able to maintain its current production pace of autos in 2021. If it continues to earn a profit of $5.5 billion annually. As a result, Tesla has not yet manufactured its Cybertruck pickup, its large electric rig known as the Tesla Semi, or its revamped sports vehicle known as the Tesla Roadster. This is even though its Model 3 and Model Y versions are among its most popular sellers. Tesla already sells more electric vehicles than General Motors, Ford, and Fiat Chrysler automobiles combined. Since its founding in 2003, Tesla has surpassed several pioneers in the total number of autos sold during its entire history. Early on, most of its purchases were made by individuals who were enthusiastic about backing Elon Musk's vision for a more environmentally friendly transportation system. Major manufacturers and stockholders are now contributing a significant portion of the project's money. This past month, Tesla issued a report on its profits that revealed a decrease in the company's profit margins despite an increase in sales. This ultimately resulted in Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, announcing that the company would be undergoing some significant course corrections. One of Tesla's most significant moves was building supercharger stations in key locations around the country. These stations enable Musk's customers to take long road trips without worrying about where they would be able to refuel their vehicles. In reaction to the success of Tesla, other automakers, including Nissan, BMW, and General Motors, have introduced their very own fast-charging networks. These charging stations are an absolute necessity for anyone who drives long distances in fully electric automobiles, regardless of whether or not they were manufactured by Tesla. Although owners must pay for the charging stations, electric vehicles still have lower operating and maintenance costs than traditional automobiles. It is impossible to deny the reality that businesses are racing against the clock to acquire additional charging stations, since doing so eliminates drivers' fear over the range of their vehicles and increases consumer interest in electric cars. If all goes according to plan, they could manufacture 1 million units each year rather than 500,000 autos per year, which would be equivalent to about 10 every hour. According to projections, there will be far more inventory within the next few months than there will be actual demand from customers. Even during the off-season, it might take up to a month to purchase a new vehicle, and that's when supply and demand are at their lowest. As a consequence of the growing demand for production, we anticipate that it will take a longer amount of time. After it stops producing new vehicles, Tesla will be free to focus on developing new products. Orders for automobiles are now placed through Tesla Galleries, the newly launched online storefront for the corporation. The company ships its wares to retailers so that customers may see and feel them before purchasing. But customers must place their orders online and wait for delivery. This is the method that furniture manufacturers use to sell their products to customers who do not have a store. And it is also the method that Tesla will use to sell its autos. There aren't enough brand new cars available on the market right now to meet demand. In the past few months, there has been a significant increase in consumer interest in electric vehicles. It's possible that to save its industry from being decimated by inconsistent and unpredictable pricing shifts, Tesla will have to call it quits on selling new vehicles and shut down its operations. Since the company has no plans to launch any new items soon, there is little chance of an increase in overall sales for the foreseeable future. This highlights that electric vehicles still have a long way to go before they become the norm. Not everyone is convinced that the rise of electric vehicles is a step in the right direction. However, despite this, many argue that the production of this product still has tremendous effects on the environment, even though it generates fewer carbon emissions. Consequently, although they are less expensive to maintain, they may finish up costing clients more money throughout their use. This is why EV car manufacturers may hold back on the introduction of new models in an effort to grow their companies and maintain their consumers' interests. In any case, the number of people purchasing electric vehicles is only going to continue to climb as we move into a new era. There are no gas-powered vehicles on display in any of Tesla's dealerships, and this trend is expected to continue in the coming years. Already, there are signs that consumers are becoming less interested in purchasing gasoline-powered motor cars. However, rather than investing in electric car companies, some billionaires like Bill Gates are betting against them. However, it all boils down to whether or not the general public is prepared to take advantage of the benefits of electric automobiles. The sales halt makes perfect sense. If Tesla wants to cultivate its brand and maintain customers' enthusiasm for purchasing its products, the company will have to invest a significant amount of capital in marketing and promotion. Do you think halting the production of new vehicles is the right move for Tesla? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tesla News Hangout, where we talk about Tesla and electric vehicles. While you're at it, hit the bell so you never miss any of our videos, as more exciting ones like this are on the way. I'll see you at the next one.